Alright guys, so here is how I connect my video camera to the Bluetooth earpiece with the mic on the Bluetooth earpiece to record. So first I will connect to my Bluetooth earpiece, which is Momento 5. Okay, then we'll go into the Play Store and install Filmit video recorder. And then you open this app and click on the top right microphone icon, and you'll see external microphone is connected, and now you're able to use it. I'll show you a demo now. Who are you looking at? Are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? Do I look fat? You gotta tell me seriously. Do I look fat? Is my face fat? Because I just went for facial. So, is my right side even whiter than the left side? Or is it more prettier than this side? I really cannot decide. Can you guys stop staring at me and talk to me? So which side is better? Stop staring at me, you perverts! I feel shy, man. Very, very shy. Because I'm using Momento 5. Yes, Momento 5 WinFear. So inside here, you can see I have a wedding ring. So we are going to propose to you the WinFear Momento 5. This earpiece has a light source to show you the indicator of charging, and another earpiece here which shows you what it looks like. And well, I have another earpiece in my helmet, so you can see I'm still wearing the earpiece, and that's why you can hear me. So that is all. If you want to see me dance, then you should continue watching. So number one you gotta do is NYCA, NYCA, la 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 la. So this is the most easiest way to connect your video camera app to the external microphone, which is your Bluetooth earpiece with the mic. Any other thing will be harder, so it's much easier you find yourself the camera app in the Play Store for connecting your external mic.